Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about what actually the real goal of any software tester or a software testing professional. I will be discussing about 10 important goals that every software tester or a software professional they should have it in order to success in their career. So I will be discussing which are those 10 major goals in this video. The first important goal of a software tester is to ensure the higher quality. So whatever the tester is going to test, he should ensure that software is having a high quality and also it meets the high quality standards as well. That is the key thing of any software tester. And the second important goal is he should be or she should be able to identify bugs or defects in the software that is going to impact on the functionality or usability. Both it could be functional or non-functional aspects. That is the second key goal. And the third important goal is tester should be able to verify the requirements or user stories based on the design documents or functional specification is also another key goal of a software tester. And also you should be looking into the major aspects of usability or user experience also matters these days. By bringing right usability test cases, by using various interface designs, we can easily achieve this goal for a software tester. And the next aspect would be, as a tester, your job is to ensure that you will be required to test the various compliances perspective, regulatory perspectives, the compliance or legal perspective. It could be on data privacy, security aspects, or health regulatory aspects or telecom regulatory aspect, whatever the domain which you are going to work, and every country will have their own regulatory boards, and we should ensure that we are adhered to the compliance of those different countries for that given software. That is also a key responsibility or a key goal of a software tester. And the next goal is, as a software tester, we should ensure that your application, whichever we are going to test, that is enhancing the overall performance of a software. We should be able to identify is there any performance gap is there or unresponsiveness or slow in the application. Then as a tester, that is your main goal is to identify those issues and report the defects to the developer. And the next key goal is ensure compatibility. The tester's main goal is to, because any application, it could be web or mobile application, it can be accessed using various different hardware combination, software combinations. Then that means we should be able to test across various different operating systems, browsers, mobile devices. Here compatibility really matters. That is also a key of software tester to meet those goals as well. And as a tester, you should always promote the reliability of the software which we are going to test in terms of stability, in terms of resilience, and in terms of error handling, also a key goal of a software tester. And the next one is a security aspect is also a key goal of software tester. Here, testers' main aim is to validate the software for different security challenges, different security vulnerabilities, different threats from how we can protect from different threats or hacking or malware and so on. And the next aspect is your timely delivery is also a key here. Main job of a software tester is meeting the quality and as well as within the given timeline which are communicating to you from the leadership team. And if there is any delay, then you should communicate back to the respective leadership team on why there is a delay or what are the issues are coming out to the various stakeholders like project managers and stakeholders. So these are the 10 important major goals every software tester they should adhere in their software testing career so that definitely if you follow these 10 important goals, definitely that software tester can be really successful in the field of software testing. I hope you guys got a clear idea now which are those main important goals and how can we achieve those goals as well. If you guys really like this video, then please click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.